Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to use Voicemod on Roblox. So basically how to set it up. You're gonna want to go ahead and start doing this on your Voicemod first. So go ahead and open up your application for Voicemod and go into your settings. Make sure your input and output is on the devices you want it to go through. So for your microphone, use the one that you want to use, of course. So in our case, it's going to be this one. So make sure you know the name of our microphone. And for your speakers, of course, just use the one that you want. In our case, we're going to use our headphones. Once you're done with the setup inside Voicemod, the next thing we're going to do is go to the actual settings of the device. So open up the settings, go ahead and search up for the Windows settings over here, go into your system and press on sound, go to your input over here. So in your input, make sure you have selected the one that says voice mod. So it should only be one apparently. Once you do that, it should automatically set as a default. And it automatically be detected in your Roblox. So just in case, go ahead into your Roblox, open up your menu or your settings, then press on settings. So over here, you'll be able to see the stuff or whatnot, but you're gonna have to scroll down to your input. So in your input, make sure you go through one of the one that says voice mod. There's usually going to be two if you do the previous ones, which is the default and just voice mode itself. So either one is pretty much the same. For output, just pretty much go to the dummy output for voice mode over here, but this should work as fine. But just in case, put it in voice mode as well. So once you press on resume, it should just save it like that. But that's pretty much how you set up your voice model through Roblox. You should be able to use it now. Just turn on your microphone and do your voice mod stuff. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please don't forget to leave a like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. That's all.